Welcome to the future of food production. Here, the certified organic whole chicken, model WC80,
the hydraulic lift is perfectly calibrated.
Yes, minimal stress noted on the livestock.
The overhead conveyor system carrying the live certified organic whole chicken begins a controlled diversion, routing great.
The certified organic whole chicken passes through a controlled atmosphere stunning system, ensuring humane immobilization.
The perfectly prepared carcasses transition seamlessly into the main processing zone, where the model WC80 The WC80 cycles through its operation, drawing air from the packaging surrounding the certified organic whole chicken before hermetically sealing the bag.
Pits. A heating element presses down onto the thick plastic film, creating a strong, permanent, and tamper-evident seal.
Emerging from the cryogenic tunnel, the chicken is now rock solid, A quick tap from the automated arm confirms perfect consistency before secondary packaging.
The sophisticated pick-and-place system precisely groups the certified organic whole chicken, model WC80. The byproducts are passed through a heavy-duty industrial grinder, reducing the material into a coarse paste.
The infrared sensor continuously scans the drying protein solids, providing real-time moisture readings.
The dried protein material is transported via a sealed screw conveyor to the final grinding mill, contained within
Initiating the microbiological safety testing. This critical step confirms the rendering process effectively
The raw material batch is fully utilized. Process B is ready for distribution.
Acknowledged. We will finalize the shipment schedule immediately.
The verdict forklift retrieved the high-grade organic chicken meal, the finest smooth when sequence.
Okay, push it all the way to the front. That's good.
The high-grade organic chicken meal leaves the plant, destined for the fields, where it will nourish the next generation of agriculture.
We start with our high-grade organic chicken meal. This finely ground powder is then carefully blended with
The spent 25 kg multiply paper bags are neatly stacked onto a utility cart. The cart is driven
The consistent quality and high protein content of this high-grade organic chicken meal is unmatched.
This expansive facility showcases our commitment to quality, utilizing high-grade organic chicken meal in a fully automated process.
a small amount of the pale brown high-grade organic chicken meal is sprinkled into the planter, showcasing its use in this localized setting.
A new era of sustainable agriculture. Through innovative Process B, we've created a high